Hi everyone. In this video, let's see how you can correct the student's first name, middle name or last name and upload the same sheet in EduCloud. So you need to go to school students and import export student to download the existing student sheet. Select your class and download the sheet by clicking on this option. Now open the sheet here. So here as you can see there is a sheet and in which there are some students name. So this name is in a lowercase and this name is a mixed. So let's see how we can convert it into the uppercase or the proper case. Now let me add two columns. One is for lowercase, sorry, one is for uppercase and one is for the proper case. So here is the proper case and here is the uppercase. Now to make it in a proper case, there is a formula is equal to enter proper, open a bracket, select the name and close the bracket and press enter. So now this name is in a proper case. Now for the uppercase, there is another formula equal to upper, open a bracket, select the name, close the bracket and press enter. Now the name is in the proper case and then uppercase. Let's create for last name as well. Insert the column, proper case and then uppercase. Proper, open bracket, select the name, press enter and for uppercase is equal to upper, again the bracket, then press enter by closing the bracket. Now this is how you can make the corrections for the names. Now we need to upload this sheet to EduCloud. So as per your requirement of the proper case or the uppercase, again let me create or add one column. Now suppose I need proper case names, right? So what I'll do is I'll copy this column and in the D column right click, click on paste special and select values only. So all the names without formulas will be copied here. We can't upload this sheet as it is, right? Because there was a formula here. The formula is used here, right? So now I can make this column as first name and I'll delete all those two columns and this uppercase column as well. Similarly, I'll make it for last name. Let me add one more column for the last name and then here I'll enter as last name. I'll copy this and then right click, paste special and values only and rename this as last name. Now I can delete this column. Now save this sheet, go to EduCloud and click on browse to import this sheet. Select the sheet, click on mapping, map the fields. Here student ID is important because we are going to update the existing students. So select the update student by student ID, and for new students use create new student option. Standard name is also important here. You can just skip other columns, and after selecting all the mapping all the columns, click on import data. So this is how we can correct the student's first name, last name or the middle name.